The Customs Officers' Wives Association, (COA), has launched the first ever Green Border Day at Idiroko Border Town, Ogun State, marking the start of its nationwide Green Border Sustainability Initiative, CGBSI. The initiative aims to plant 5,000 trees and train 1,000 women in waste recycling and environmental entrepreneurship within 1 year. Speaking at the event, the COA National President, Mrs. Kikelomo Adeniyi, wife of the Controller General of Customs, said the project seeks to build cleaner, greener, and self-sustaining border communities.
Thank you. The COA Green Border Sustainability Initiative is the flagship environmental and community development program. It's a 12-month national campaign, Green, Clean, and Empower Nigeria Border Community Project. Through this initiative, COA will be planting over 5,000 trees across major customs border regions. And by the way, we were at Lela border sometimes in October, and we planted 70 trees at that border. And that's how it's going to continue from all over. This initiative will also be training over 1,000 women and youth in waste segregation, recycling, and green enterprise.
She described it as a movement of hope, responsibility, and transformation, connecting people, borders, and the planet. The Green Border Center, to be established under the project, will serve as a hub for climate education, renewable energy, and sustainable livelihood training. Comptroller Godwin Otula, Ogun 1 Area Command, commended Mrs. Adeniyi for expanding COA's focus to environmental protection and pledged continued support for the initiative.
Your visit today, Ma, is not only historic, but symbolic. It underscores the deep commitment of COA under your purposive leadership to promoting environmental sustainability, community development, and the welfare of families within the custom community, especially along the border corridors.